pausa. No importa.
Okay, students. So you have in your book an image where you have in the box you have the names of each food item. So you are going to look at the image and you are going to match in your box with the number. So start doing, please. The first.
Vamos a reimprimirlo, poner los labels, etiquetar lo que hacemos en audio.
Oye, pero no digas.
Aquí está el filtro.
Cheese 4. Oye, yo no distingo. Eso no es un eso es un naranja. Hasta yogur. Poniendo 19. ¿O me equivoco? ¿Qué es el Ah, sí, sí. ¿Qué será el durazno aquí? La 8.
Are you finishing? You have any question? Ask me. If you can recognize a picture, ask me. No. Round and you hang maybe with a coffee. It's a dessert. Yeah, that's all. Please. Elephants. Oh, yeah.
La más oscurita y las verdes. Yo digo. Y los tomates.
Okay, are you ready, guys? Okay, it doesn't matter, we're going to check together. So, if you don't know, I will help you. So, let's start with beans. Which number is beans?
Number 10.
10 or 6.
Number? 9. Beans is number 9. Okay. Carrots? Anyone has the number of carrots? 13. 13 carrots. Cheese? 4. Yes, good job. Donut? 1. Yes, for the people who don't know what is a donut, is what Homer Simpson did.
Yeah.
That's what tummy. Okay, cucumber? 11. Cookie? 3. Mushroom? 7. Lemon? 15. Lettuce? Number 8. Yep. Melon? 17. Muffin? 2. Onion? No? 14. Yes, onion is number 14. Peach? 18. Yogurt. Number 5, potato. 12, peas. Number 10, yes. Tomato. Number 16, yes, good job. Olive oil. 19. Okay, good students. You may know that some food items are countable and some others are uncountable. For example, can you tell me your name, please? Your name?
Sebastian.
Sebastian, okay. Sebastian told me I have a juice. Okay. For example, Sebastian told me I had a juice for breakfast, okay? Let's say for breakfast. Can anyone recognize what is the mistake? Okay, I'm going to use another marker. What is the mistake in this sentence? Well, yes, you can say I had juice for breakfast. Sure, but you know that as I told you, there are countable and uncountable nouns. So you can use, for example, the quantifier some and the quantifier any. Okay, some. We're going to use some for positive sentences and any for negative and questions. Okay, so in this sentence, how are we going to complete the? I had some juice, for example. Yes, we have some juice, but we also have some other quantifiers that we can use. For example, I'm going to provide some handouts to each one of you. So you can work. Okay. So there you have in your plate some examples. You have, for example, a carton of milk. You have a bunch of bananas, a loaf of bread, a glass of milk, or a glass of juice. So how we are going to correct this sentence? Which word we are going to use? A glass, yes, good job. We're going to say, I had a glass of juice. Yes? So that's what we are going to use right now. So if you have any question with the words in the box, in the picture, do you know what is a loaf, for example? A loaf of bread? Like a piece of bread. You can have a bag, a can of soda, for example, of beer, a slice, a bowl of rice, for example, a cup of coffee, a dozen of eggs. So if you can, a head of lettuce we have also. So if you can complete the exercise which are in the back side of the sheet of paper, you can start right now. If you have any questions, please ask me. You can work in teams if you want.
Te confundí. Digo, yo decía como que.
What
Let's do the first 8 sentences. Just 8. Because of time. So you have finished the first 8 sentences. We're going to check. Yes. Okay, help me reading, you two guys, the first sentence.
When you go shopping, don't forget to buy a loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread. Huh? Yes, good job. Do you have the second sentence? Okay.
Every morning I like to have a cup of coffee with my breakfast.
Okay, so it's the option A.
Hey,
Yes, good job. The group at the back, please. The group at the back. The third sentence. Can you read the sentence?
When you go shopping, don't forget to buy a loaf of bread.
Number 3.
This bag of groceries is very heavy. Could you please help me carry it?
Okay, yes, good job. The group of Sebastian. Number 4.
Did you buy a box of cereal? It's letter C.
Yeah, letter C. Number 5. The group at the back.
I am thirsty. I need a bottle of water to help me cool down.
Yes, nice, good job. Do you have number 6? Do you have number 6?
No. It's on table.
What is the option? Number, yes, there's letter 8. And number 7, can anyone help me? The group at the back. The group at the back, here. Do you have number 7?
Yes, of course. Please don't forget to put the carton of milk in the refrigerator. Letter C is the answer.
Yes, nice, good job. Do you have letter 8?
Yes. I have an idea. Let's make a nice hot pot of tea.
Letter B, yes, good job. So now you can turn your student book here with your picture. You can turn the page and you have a dialogue. So can you please helping me reading the dialogue? You have 2 people, that is Dad and John. You are going to be John, and Sebastian is going to be Dad. So please read.
John, could you get some eggs for me?
why me? Ask Ethan. He never does anything.
Come on, John. Ethan is at his soccer practice. You can go with him.
Oh,
Tim.
okay. What do we need eggs?
I'm making some omelets for breakfast.
Do I buy a dozen of eggs?
Yes, please. Also, bring a carton of milk and a box of cereal for your brothers.
Okay, but I want a liter of ice cream. What else?
That's it. What would you like in your omelette?
Just some cheese. Let's go, Tim.
Okay, yes. So have you understood the dialogue is not that hard. So in your student book you also have a dialogue model at the bottom. So you can add so many details with the handout that they gave you, with the carton of cereal, with the hand of bananas. So you can write in the spaces, you can write, for example, here, it says, could you get some eggs for me? Could you get some bread, for example, or something like that. You have to complete in these spaces with other information that you have in your handout. So please start doing it. Yes, some, you can use some in questions. So,
It's like a general rule. I can break the rule sometimes.
no, some is also used in questions, you can use some and then so, I can say, for example, do you have any juice in the refrigerator? Do you have any apples in the fridge?
Some has the same meaning in questions.
In questions, they are both used. Yes. No, no. So, no, you have to change everything. You have different ingredients to cook something else. Some of them are used in questions. Okay, just explain it right now. Hold on. Okay, some people are asking me if we can use some in questions. It is also possible to use some in questions, so it's not a big problem. You can use some and then, for example, in your dialogue you have, could you get some eggs for me? So you have some in questions. You can have a question with any, for example, do you have any juice? Do you have any juice? So you can have both in questions, but some in positive and any negative. If you need any help, tell me. You can see that here. So yeah, why do we need what are we going to use? So why do you need butter? I'm making a cake for dessert, for also bring Okay, so here we have a pair of classmates have completed the dialogue. So if you can come to the front and perform your dialogue, please.
John, could you get any bananas for me?
Why me? Ask Gita. He never does anything.
Come on, John. It seems that he's so perfect. You can go with him?
Well, okay. What do we need bananas?
I'm making some milkshake for breakfast.
Do I buy a bunch of bananas?
Yes, please. Also, I'd like my bread. I carton or maybe for my two brothers.
Okay, would I want a little of chocolate with us?
What will you like in your shake?
Just some bananas. Let's go, team.
Okay, good job. Claps to your classmates, please. Okay, so that was all for today. Thanks for your attention.